Nestled among the historic homes of Launceston, on a modest 50-square-meter allotment, stands Harriet's house, a testament to the seamless fusion of heritage and contemporary design. What began as a humble Georgian cottage has undergone a thoughtful transformation, orchestrated by Soane architecture. This isn't merely an extension, it's a narrative woven from the threads of history and modern living, where respectful homage to original detailing meets a bold, expressive vision. The architects have masterfully navigated the inherent limitations of the site, crafting a dwelling that, despite its small footprint, feels expansive and deeply connected to its surroundings. The essence of Harriet's house lies in its sensitive balance. Soane architecture drew inspiration from the home's Georgian roots, celebrating its original proportions and the weighted nature of its sandstone walls. The expansion extends this humble connection between form and place, integrating a similar warmth and subtlety into the new additions. A striking feature of this contemporary responsiveness is the grand, arcing roofline silhouette that gracefully opens the existing form to an idyllically curated garden at the rear. This design choice, born from years of collaborative simplicity between architect and client, wasn't just about adding space, it was about injecting the home with a transcendent quality, reminiscent of Sir John Soane's philosophy on the harmony between simplicity and enchantment found in quiet, still moments. Privacy, a paramount concern given the two-story neighbors, was meticulously addressed. The extension is oriented towards a northern aspect at the rear, not only to draw in abundant light and air but also to funnel views away from onlookers. The outdoor space, a crucial element of the design, was meticulously sculpted to connect with and follow the natural contours of the site. Here, native flora weaves a living tapestry over the slope, blurring the lines between built form and natural landscape. Inside, the new volume introduces a double-height, lofted space that draws the eye upwards, creating a sense of unexpected grandeur within the modest structure. Ultimately, Harriet's house is a story of boundaryless connection. The extension's focus is on a seamless relationship between interior and exterior, bringing a meaningful natural experience directly into the heart of the home. So, architecture achieved an interior richness not through opulent additions, but through considered design choices that allow natural elements, light, air, and the garden's beauty, to dance through the newly defined spaces. This thoughtful transformation ensures that Harriet's house not only respects its past but also confidently embraces its present, offering a private, funneled sanctuary that is both elegantly modern and deeply rooted in its heritage.